Assalamu alaikum. This is a case where we have a patient who came with rocking in the denture. The rocking was left and right in the palatal area. Now, if you look closely, this was our first rubber application. I love using light body rubber material. This is light body. Okay, we put it on the fitting surface, and we wanted to notice where are the points of pressure. We found that here is an area, and there's another area here, and slight one here. But look at the rugue area. It's an area of pressure. This happens when you don't place a spacer towards the rugue area. You don't use the partial spacer. This will become a pressure point. The problem with the rugue area that it's not compressible, meaning that you can compress it during impression, but once you release your finger pressure, it will spring back. So it keeps putting the denture back down. Now, we adjusted these, we trimmed from the areas that were exposed, we reduced, but then this was the final result. Still, the rugue area is a point of pressure. Now, this remaining material is thick. If I insert like this is like 1.5 to 2 millimeter thick. So this is an exact case for relining. Okay? So if I'm going to follow this and keep trimming, I will have thinning in the acrylic. Okay, it will thin out. I will see the acrylic will be very thin and will be fractured. So in these cases where we have thick, ill-fitting dentures, meaning that this is the thing about the rubber, because it measures not only the areas of pressure where they're exposed, it also measures the areas that are negative in terms of thickness. So see how thick it is. If you look at the palatal area, it's very thick. Here it's thick, it's here thick, and in the lingual area, in the labial flange, it's thick areas. So these thickness, these are a good indication for reline. So this patient, we have referred him to a reline. But I wanted to show you how I've decided. Now, the aesthetics of the denture is good. The vertical dimension is good, the freeway space is good, everything is excellent with this denture. It's only the fitting surface. So it doesn't need to do a copy denture where we are adjusting occlusion. Okay? In copy dentures, we change the teeth. Here we don't need to change the teeth. In copy dentures as well, we change the vertical dimension. Here we don't need to change the vertical dimension. So our reline will be shear side and a closed mouth technique. We're going to put the material similar to how we spread this material. Okay, it has a specific procedure. I hope that I could record it when we do it. But the idea is we're going to spread the material, then we're going to put this in the mouth, and then we're going to ask the patient to bite on it in full occlusion, and then we're going to do border molding. Okay? So we're preserving the occlusal vertical dimension, and we're preserving the morphology of the teeth and everything. Because everything is excellent except the fitting surface. So this is a good case for relines. Thank you.